Welcome to our channel. Today we how to record Slack Huddle audio step by step clearly. Open your Slack application. Start or join a huddle in your desired channel. Once in the huddle, ensure your microphone is working. Next, open a screen recording software on your computer. If you're using QuickTime Player, select File from the menu. Then choose New Audio Recording. Click the Record button to start capturing audio. For other software, locate the audio recording option and start recording. Return to your Slack huddle to begin your conversation. Engage in the discussion while the recording captures all audio. Once the huddle is finished, stop the recording in your software. If using QuickTime, click the Stop button or select File, then Stop Recording. Save your recorded audio file to your desired location. Label the file for easy identification later. If you used a different software, follow the specific steps to save your recording. Check the audio quality by playing back the recording. Ensure everything is clear and audible. If needed, edit your audio file using audio editing software. Export the final version to your preferred audio format. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.